trying again. Jamie Snow and Barton McNeil are now asking the Illinois Supreme Court to hear the appeals of their murder convictions. The two men claim they were wrongfully convicted in unrelated McLean County murder cases from the 90s. Jamie Snow was convicted in 2001 for the 91 shooting, death of a gas station attendant, followed by a robbery. He is serving a life sentence. Bart McNeil was convicted in 2001 of suffocating his 3-year-old daughter at 98. He's now serving a 100-year sentence. The two men have filed petitions for leave to appeals. Last year, the 11th Circuit Court denied the same request, and last month, the 4th District Appellate Court upheld the denials in April, weeks after hearings at ISU. The Illinois Supreme Court is expected to hear these latest requests within weeks.